or talked about. So real quick, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started right away. All right, so the website we will be using today is called Etsy.com, and Etsy is an online shopping website similar to Amazon.com, and many different people are making tons of money on this platform selling digital arts and images. And these digital arts can be anything like PDF, digital planners, worksheets, patterns, digital landscapes, and so on. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to start selling digital arts of flowers using completely free AI tools to generate a better design. We'll create a similar digital art and we'll try to make it even better. So the first thing to do is to go to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. And we'll use Canva's AI tools to generate a similar image to this one. So once you log in, I want you to click on this button here that says create a design, and then click a custom size. And I want you to enter 2000 here for the width and 2000 for the height, and then click on create a new design. Now I want you to click on apps here, and then I want you to select this AI tool here called text to image, and that will take you to this page. Now in this box here, you want to write a description of what type of images you want this AI to create for you. And the easiest way to do that is to go back to Etsy, and I want you to copy the description of this image here, and just like that, go back to Canva and paste it here. And then if I click on this see all button here, you can see that we have all of these different styles that we can use to generate the kind of image we want.